where the cold winds bite, gold in the day and fire at night. The creek comes sweet where the lowlands dream, but I turn my boots to the uphill stream. Every stone cut sharp, every breath ran thin, yet I pushed on through where the wild begins. The way is easy with the river's flow, but leads to water, stagnant and slow. So rage against the surge and heed the call, for at the end of the river waits a waterfall. Now the roar breaks through in the mountain air, mist on my face and the sun in my hair. The spray falls fine like a holy rain, washing the dust from the years of pain. And I thank the fight for the dream I found, standing in the light of the silver crown. The way is easy with the river's flow, but leads to water, stagnant and slow. So rage against the surge and heed the call, for at the